In this video, we're going to get to know path manifest from the Permaweb. Path manifest are JSON files that allow us to upload collections under one transaction ID reference or websites. We're going to demonstrate how to upload a very simple website using the Bundlr CLI that will create a path manifest JSON for us. We're on the Cooking with Permaweb cookbook and in the core concepts path manifest. And you can see we've got kind of two pictures of cats. And what we're going to do is create a little website with an index HTML, a style CSS, and some cat images. This is what the path manifest looks like. It's a simple JSON file with a manifest kind of MIME type and then version. And then this index represents what the root path would be. And then the pass object has all the paths in the in the path manifest collection, right? So with that said, let's cut over to the demo. Here we have a simple website. We've got an index HTML that is pulling in a style sheet and two cat photos. I can demo this by using W3, and we can run like a little web server. We can go and look at our incredible site. So we've got the cat photos header and we got image 1, image 2. This is basically 4 files. So let me get rid of that file. It's not necessary. So we've got cat JPEG 1, cat JPEG 2, index, and then style CSS, which is some simple styling. Cool. So we want to deploy this on the Permaweb. And the first thing we're going to need to do is generate a wallet because we have to sign everything to send to the Permaweb. So I'm going to cd into the parent directory, and then I'm going to run npm install rweave to help me generate the wallet file. And then I'm going to run this node evaluate command to generate the wallet file. I'll just do cat wallet. Make sure. Yep. Cool. So now we've got our wallet. We're going to cd back into path manifest. And what we're going to do is create a this directory. And then we're going to just cp or copy all of our files in there. So we'll copy the JPEGs into the disk. We'll copy index HTML. And we'll copy style.css. Cool. So now if we list our disk directory, we should see our 4 files we're ready to deploy. So we've got our wallet file. What we need to do next is install the Bundlr client, and we're just going to install it globally so that we can just reference the command line and we don't have to create a node modules folder and all that. So as that installs, we're going to look at our Bundlr command to deploy this to rweave. So the Bundlr command will have an upload dir function, and then it's going to ask for the folder that we want to deploy, then the currency, so it supports multiple currency, we'll use rweave, and then the node, we're going to use node 2 because really small files we're able to upload with no gas. And then we're going to use our wallet that we just generated. And this is important. We're going to specify an index file. So with this command, it's going to look at our directory and it's going to upload each item in the directory, get the IDs for those items, and then it's going to build a path manifest and then upload that. So let's take a look at how that works. We're going to use the dist directory and we're going to use rweave as our currency, and we're going to use node 2 as the host, and a wallet file. And then finally, we're going to specify our index file as index.html. If you do not specify the index file, then it will not create one, and you will just have a TX ID with a bunch of items that you can access by their name. All right, so let's give this a try. Cool. So let's hit yes. Awesome. So now we've got this URL. Let's paste it into our browser. And there we are. We have uploaded a website to the Permaweb. If we want to quickly look at what the manifest looks like, we can go to this distributed manifest.json, and you can see that just like we showed in the guide, that you have your JSON document, you have IDs for each item that was uploaded, and then you have an index path to the index.